Welcome back, boys. We find ourselves in the middle of the desert. With none other than the C63. And I thought to myself, what better way to do a walk around than do it in fucking 45-degree weather. But you know what? It's a great landscape. So we're going to structure the video in the following way. We're going to do a walk around of the exterior, and then we're going to look under the hood, we're going to look inside, and we might do a bit of POV driving. So we'll start with the outside. Now, this is a 2014 C63 507 edition. In the previous video I mentioned that it was originally a Saudi Arabian car that came over to Dubai. The woman that previously owned it done a lot of work to the car. It is absolutely amazing in Mars red. She put a carbon lip on it, which I think looks really good. The 507 comes with the bulges in the bonnet, really big bulges, gives it really good presence. We make our way to the side. She's got these I don't even know what they're called, but I'm not even really a big fan of them because this color and that color are mismatched and they don't match the body color, but it is what it is. I think they like to protect the rims from getting gutted. It's got the decal on the side, and it comes with the standard boot lip, and there's also a carbon diffuser, which I think is a really nice touch. The bodywork is decent. It's my first red car, but there are a few blemishes, as you can see here on the boot and around here. If we make our way to the side, there's a bit of defects and scratches here, but all in all, it's a really clean car. It's got a sunroof, which I'm really happy about. I love the sunroofs. Bro, it gets so hot out here. If I want to be truthful, boys, I was a little bit hesitant making this purchase because at the end of the day, it is an 11-year-old car, but it really doesn't look 11 years old. So underneath the bonnet, we've got a 500 plus horsepower naturally aspirated V8. It's been built with SLS internals, so the 507 already comes with different pistons and crankshaft, I believe, from the M15, the standard M156, but this has gone one step after. It's got the SLS pistons, rods, crankshaft, and also the cams have been changed to the SLS cams, so it revs a little bit higher. It revs to around 7,600 RPM. Obviously the rocker cover's seen better days. This is broken. I don't even know how that happened, but you've got the handcrafted badge there. Oh, you can never get sick of that startup. There is one defect, and it's on the door right there. Seats are so clean, roof lining is immaculate, the steering wheel's been retrimmed, it's got a really nice feel, the paddle shifters feel good. The only upgrade I want to do to the car is Android Auto and Apple Play, just so I can make it feel a little bit more up to date. So when I first moved here, I was renting a car. I was renting a Hyundai Accent, a 2023 model, 1.6 litre, probably the best part of 120-140 horsepower. But I tell you, boys, that car was a warhorse. Never failed me. It was so reliable. 45, 50-degree weather during peak of summer, aircon full blast, no problem. She got the job done. It wasn't pretty, but it got the job done. So just to show you guys, it's currently 46 degrees outside. It gets really hot here, and the fact that we're in the middle of the desert doesn't make it any easier. Getting used to the power is one thing, being responsible with the power is another. because it's been so long that I haven't had some type of performance car that I've just tried to tame myself and not really push this car too soon without getting to know it first. So let's take it, not for a thrashing, but let's take it for a little drive. So here we go, we'll put it in manual now. We'll drop some gears. Alright boys, this is where I'm going to leave the video. Quick walkthrough. Everything you guys need to know about the car, you guys know. All the little stuff, I'm sure there's other people that have explained it a lot better than I have. But all we want to do is drive it and experience it and have fun with it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.